Well, the last couple of nights we've been treated to a nearly full moon, and last night and today the moon is full. This photo is actually taken by Anthony Crow. He sent this to us on our photo gallery of a very detailed version of the moon as it was almost full last night. And this month's full moon, the flower moon. It's fitting given that we're starting to see flowers. It's officially full right about now, 12:34 this afternoon on May 5th is when it's 100% full. Of course, we can't see it right now because it set this morning, but when we get into the evening hours tonight, moonrise at 9:07, we should have some breaks in those clouds that start moving in, and we'll get to see that nice bright full moon here. And we've got some clear skies right now, plenty of sun out there. Look at all this clear sky that we've got on our satellite map. The Baudette area, seeing a few clouds passing by, and then other places with a couple of passing clouds, but overall mostly sunny. One other thing to note on our visible satellite map here, we can see that it looks like the ice might be coming off of Upper Red Lake, but Lower Red Lake still has some ice on it here in this view. Kind of a cool shot to be able to see that. And looking at a little bit wider view, if you're traveling this morning or this afternoon, we're going to be seeing more active weather into South Dakota, southern Minnesota. Got a couple of lightning bolts there in southern Minnesota. So traveling in that direction, you may run into some active weather. That will hold off for us today until we get into the overnight hours tonight and tomorrow. Temperatures are on the rise, especially in the Southern Valley. Fargo has our warmest temperature at 69. It's 63 in Grand Forks. Those of us along the border, a little cooler in those upper 50s, but still a beautiful May day. And the wind is a little stronger there. You can see that we've got some gusts into the 20s, 28 miles per hour in Hallock, Devil's Lake at 24, 25 in Thief River Falls. And that wind's coming in out of the east or northeast for a lot of us here for today. So a little breezy, but not too intense. We'll top off in the 20s to at most, I would say, about 30-mile-per-hour gusts. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. We've got some breezy conditions heading into the afternoon, some sunny conditions as well, and just a couple of clouds here and there. And as we make our way further into the afternoon and to tonight, we'll see more of these clouds starting to pop up, but still looking really good into the 3, 4, 5 o'clock hour. We'll have temperatures in the low 70s in the south and the north, more into the 60s. And this evening, if you've got some plans, maybe heading out to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, well, we're looking at some conditions that are pretty good for that. We've got some dry weather, some passing clouds into this evening, and the wind will be on the brisk side during the evening hours, keeping those gusts into the 20s. By 10 o'clock, we'll be mainly dropping into the 50s at that point. And you can see what happens overnight. This is into Saturday morning. A couple of showers or even a thunder shower or two rumbles into the southern end of the valley. Very isolated, but still a possibility we want to give you a heads up about. But mostly the action holds off until during the day Saturday for chances for rain. We'll start in the 40s, and here's just a look specifically at our rain and thunderstorm chances. They'll be pushing into the southern valley in the morning hours, continuing on into the afternoon. And notice how there are some breaks. It won't be raining everywhere at any given time, but the potential is there. Into Saturday evening, we're watching that rain chance starting to push more northward, and by Sunday morning, we're more focused in the northern valley for rain chances, though I can't rule them out in the southern valley as well. So both days we'll have to watch that VNL radar app for the latest conditions, or VNL weather app, the radar on it. And we're looking at some opportunities at picking up a decent amount of rain in those areas where we get those heavier thunderstorms moving in. We're looking at the potential for a ½ inch of rain or more. And again, some of those spots in the heavier thunderstorms may see up to about an inch or so. And then there'll be places that may miss out because of the scattered nature of the rain. So moving into next week, more opportunities at picking up some rain, more opportunities at some heat coming our way. 70s by the end of the week, maybe even 80 by next Saturday. So wow, looking at some finally we turned the page and we're just not looking back, it seems, in our forecast.
Yes, keep turning those pages. 80 degrees, that sounds amazing.
It should be another nice day, and today will be a good day out there too. Just watch out for a little wind.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Lisa.